This is Wao, Lanao del Sur. Officially, the Municipality of Wao is a second-class municipality in the province of Lanao del Sur, Philippines. According to the 2020 census, it has a population of 50,366 people. This is the only municipality in Lanao del Sur where Catholicism is the dominant religion. 80% of the population. Wao is the only municipality in the Philippines that starts with W. The La Sedeca resettlement program of then President Ramon Magsaysay made possible the foundation of Wao as a municipality in Lanao del Sur province on February 22, 1961. The first settlers in the area were 60 families of various ethnicity from then undivided Cotabato province. Only one person, Elvino B. Balico Senwar, among the first batch of settlers, became one of the municipal mayors of Wao. Along with members of the first batch of 60 settlers that included the late couple Eludio and Sofia Emborgo, were welcomed by the native Muslim inhabitants of Wao, led by Sultan Mamaco Sarapada, the municipality's first appointed and elected mayor. Datu Tal Pagul and Datu Maki Sarapada. They were treated to a sit-down meal in the house of Sultan Mamaco Sarapada. Wao is also surrounded by Manabilang in the north and west, Bukidnon in the east, and Cotabato in the south.